She well, I mean, I'm pretty, but your heart is on me. I'm skin girl. That skin living when my killer's rolling. I think tonight she might pray.
What's up, y'all? JazzJanay here, and today I'm here to show you guys some different hairstyles that I will do on my box braids. This is my first time having box braids. I really wanted the knotless braids, but I couldn't find anybody that was available to do them before my graduation. Your girl graduates tomorrow. But yeah, I don't walk into December, but we're just having a little luncheon. So I'm just so excited. I'm so thankful. I am done with Auburn University in Montgomery, period. Done. Nada. Finito. The end. I am done. And I'm just so excited. But anyways, back on subject. I'm just going to show you guys some different hairstyles that I do with my box braids. So yeah, in some clips before this, I'll show you guys like how I prepare my hair for the box braids and blah blah blah. I've had them for like 5 days now. 5 days. I had them for 5 days now. So yeah, I love them. She did a great job. My best friend's cousin did them. And this was her second time doing them, and they look like really good. They're so neat and stuff. And then I just went and got the little jewels from the beauty supply store. I just got the little hoops, and I got the clamps and stuff. So yeah, just to decorate them, make me feel like all, you know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I'm just such in a good mood. So yeah, let's get started with showing you guys how to style your box braids. So this is just like a simple side sweep. I guess that's what you can call it. You can take like 2 braids and wrap it around that that twist tie so it won't show. You know, be a little bit more uniform. And this will be like really good for like if you're going out on a date or something like that. And it's like showing off the jewels really good. You can even add a few more right here. Let me show y'all my new goodie. So this is the Edge Booster Gel. So y'all know I was trying, I think I showed y'all, y'all know I was trying the Edge Booster Edge Control, and I liked it. It laid my edges, but y'all, it was turning my edges white. And I just couldn't get jiggy with that. Maybe I can start using it again when it gets cold. So maybe, because it was turning my edges white. So yeah, I got this little doohickey right here, the little edge brush. And this is what I've been using to lay my edges. And I've been loving it, so. Yeah, so this does really good on my edges. I really like how it does. So yeah, so edges are done. So yeah, you can do this for like a nice date night or like a formal event, because it has just a simple side sweep type look to it, and it's just off coming to one side. I just thought that was really pretty and elegant. And yeah, I really like this style. So on to the next style. So the next style is just a continuation of the previous style. Instead of having it to the side, I took it to the back in a nice little bun. Well, not little, but you know, in a nice bun, little low bun. And this is for just those hot days where you don't feel like having those braids down on your shoulders and stuff. So it's real elegant and pretty as well. So you can also use this for like formal events or church or something. So yeah, just make sure the bun is a little bit more secure because mine is coming down. You can secure it with like a with a big scrunchie like that. So yeah, so like how I did that style, I just twisted it like that and then wrapped the bun around itself. And then you can just take this. Just like that. Yeah, I thought that was pretty cute. Okay. So on to the next style. This is something just very simple. So shake this out and flip back like that. Make sure it's even on both sides. That up as well. And of course, this is just one of the more simpler styles. Just really cute. So yeah, just got a little ponytail in the back, something cutesy. This is how I probably wear it most of the time and stuff. So today I pulled these two little hairs, little braids in the front. And I thought that was really pretty. So yeah, that's another style. I don't think I'm gonna wear it all the way down because I just feel like it's too much hair. Oh, and another thing, these are not heavy at all, like at all. But I mean, you can wear it down the middle if you really want to. But I don't think I'm going to wear it like that. So the next style that I will probably wear is, I will show you. So you can keep it in the ponytail on some poetic justice type vibes, but I probably won't keep it in the ponytail, so I'm gonna just go for a bun. So very cute, very classy, very cool. And even if you don't want the little things in the way, just wrap that around the bun too. And yeah, you just got a regular braid bun. And I love braid buns. This one is not heavy. These braids are very light. I got them like medium size because I didn't want them to be that heavy and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else y'all would like to see. I know y'all want to see like a full wash day routine and stuff. So once I take these braids out, I will definitely record a video of me like bringing back my natural hair after it being in a protective style. So be on the lookout for that video. But let me know what other videos y'all would like for me to do. I'm free after Saturday, so I don't start work until the middle of August, so I am free until then. So yeah, just let me know what y'all want to see, because I'm gonna be knocking these videos out, trying to, you know, get my watch time up and stuff, because I have been inconsistent and gone for a very, very, very long time. So yeah, let your girl know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.